with me.
Oh, you should have. Go get it.
Oh, wait.
I don't have it with me at all. I only brought the battery pack externally, yeah.
Well,
See, now he
bully on
doesn't
you,
say.
sir. Bully
Now
on
you're just
you.
going to stare at it.
Vag.
Stare there.
Maybe just turn this the other way, and then we won't be conscious about
Make it look
it.
like he's drinking. Yum.
Hey!
You like that Guinness? Yummy.
Oh wait, now let's take our cock out.
Whoa. Whoa.
Extreme close-up!
I guess that's before your time.
Hey, I know.
I'm old.
I watched that.
Old.
No, I watched that like many times.
Not
when I was
everything. Not everything is before his time.
You might have to have one?
We had the VHS. I think we got it from McDonald's.
VHS,
Yeah, we got it from McDonald's, I think, and I just watched it all the time.
There's a
Laser
Korean
disc.
drama.
And you know what?
Have you
I
ever seen a laser
remember.
disc?
Never had a.
And you have never lived.
No, we had it in our
Teenage
schools
Mutant Ninja
because all
Turtles.
like lots of schools bought them.
Yeah,
And they still had like when I was going to school, they still had them.
I watched the little toaster on Laserdisc, man. Great fucking memory.
I watched the Crucible on Laserdisc. Apparently they
Visual
have
this one, just staring at the camera for like
the
10 minutes.
DVDs. Like there's like some advantages other than being gigantic.